Now, in adults, snoring, like I said earlier, 50% of the case could just be normal. However, there are certain things that can make snoring worse in adults. There is the issue of not sleeping well. If you're very tired and you're worn out, there's a tendency that you would snore while asleep. Also, weight, okay? This also applies to children, by the way. Excessive weight gain, obesity is a major risk factor for snoring. Also, smoking, drinking alcohol, these are things that have been found to be associated to snoring. Now, really, there could also be issues with adenotonsillar hypertrophy in adults, not as common, but it could also be involved in snoring.